In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an existing product in your Wix store dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and head to your Wix dashboard. Once you've signed in and your dashboard has fully loaded, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. This helps avoid making changes in the wrong store. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu. This is where Wix organizes the main sections of your website and store management tools. Find the area labeled Store Products and then click on Products. This will open the main product management page where you can view the items currently listed in your online store. On this page, you'll see your product inventory laid out in a list or table format depending on your store setup. Each listing represents an item in your catalog, and this is where you can review product details before making changes. Take a moment to locate the specific inventory item you want to update. If you have many products, it can help to scan carefully so you select the correct listing. Once you've found the product you want to modify, click on that existing item listing. This will open the product's editing view, where you can begin working on its details. Selecting the right product is an important step because any edits you make from here will apply directly to that item in your store. If you're updating products regularly, it's a good idea to double check the product name before clicking in, especially when items have similar titles or variations. That small habit can save time and help prevent accidental edits. At this stage, you've successfully navigated from your Wix dashboard to the products section and opened an existing inventory item for modification. From here, you're in the right place to continue managing that product as needed. That's it for this process. As a quick recap, you opened your Wix dashboard in Chrome, used the sidebar to go to Store Products and then Products, and selected an existing inventory listing to modify. Following these steps carefully helps keep your store organized and ensures you're editing the exact product you intend to update.